Hello, my name is Vithavat Donasa. The laptop is on the table. Next to the TV is on the rack. Next to the printer is on the table. Next to the bookshelf is on the floor and have the wardrobe is between the bed. Next to the refrigerator is at the front of the room. Next to the wardrobe is on the floor and have the wall is near the TV. Next to the iron is on the table. Next to the audio is in the rack. Next to the bed is near the wall. Next to the ice cooker is on the floor. Is near the bed. The rack of shoes is at the front of the room.